Hello everyone, it is your Sakshi ma'am this side, and I welcome you all to my channel Shiksha Proficient Academy. Today we will see Standard 9's Lesson 2.2, A True Story of Sea Turtles, which is a narrative written by Bhau Katdare of the Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra. Before we begin with the lesson, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet and do hit the bell icon. So, a true story of sea turtles is a lesson on wildlife and ecological protection. It is a write-up which highlights how a group of volunteers undertook a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra, and in the process, they also involved the local villagers to help. In this lesson, the writer talks about his own experience. The writer and his team, Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra, were serving the white-bellied sea eagles. So their main purpose to visit these coastal areas or Konkan coast was to study and survey on white-bellied sea eagles. As they were roaming the coast, one of the volunteers noticed few pits of white egg shells. उन्होंने white egg shells से भरा एक खड्डा देखा. And they were shocked to know from the local villagers that these were turtle eggs. Now, why were they shocked? They were shocked because they had never seen turtle eggs along the Konkan beaches in all the previous years. And see, why had they not seen these eggs before? Because some egg hunters would illegally steal those eggs. When a female turtle comes on the shore to nest to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail. वो अपने पैरों के निशान छोड़ जाती है. So these egg hunters follow the trail right up to the nest. This nest is about half a meter deep. These egg hunters dig up the nest and steal all the 100 and 150 eggs that are laid inside. So we can understand that a female turtle lays about 100 to 150 eggs at once. Now these eggs are stolen and are then either eaten or sold in the market. And if a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. That is, जब तक टर्टल एग्स ले कर रही होती है, उसे जिंदा रहने देते हैं. एक बार उसका टास्क फिनिश हो जाता है तो उसे मार दिया जाता है. This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. But in India, under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. So we are familiar with this, that India is taking up many campaigns and many projects to save tigers, and if turtles are given as much importance as tiger protection, that means this topic too is crucial at the same level. So now we can understand that even after such strict laws, if these kind of incidents are taking place, it means that these acts are performed very secretly in hush-hush manner, and so the Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra organization thought it was necessary to protect these turtles and their nests in Maharashtra, and for that they did a deep study on sea turtles and also took help of other organizations. For this, they began protection campaign at Velas, Taluka Mandangarh, Ratnagiri district with the support of Forest Department. They took the help of villagers. Sea turtles usually come ashore at night to lay eggs. The people who were appointed were asked to look for the eggs or nest in the morning. So they would carefully remove the eggs from the nest and bury them in a similar pit which was protected with wire fencing to prevent thefts. तो चोरी से बचाने के लिए वो एग्स को नेस्ट से निकालते थे एंड एक दूसरे खड्डे में सेफ रखते थे. उसे वायर से कवर कर दिया जाता है फॉर सेफ्टी. द डे द शेल्स क्रैक्ड, a huge number of people gathered to watch innumerable turtle hatchlings rush to the sea. Even elderly people confessed that they had seen these hatchlings for the first time. This indicates that the theft of turtle eggs was so common that no eggs had been allowed to hatch for so many years in the past. मतलब ये एग्स की चोरी इतनी कॉमन हो चुकी थी कि इन्होंने कभी भी एक टाइनी टर्टल को एग से बाहर आते हुए देखा ही नहीं था इन सो मेनी ईयर्स. There are 7 types of sea turtles in the world, out of which 5 are found in India. The olive ridley turtle nests along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Now, green turtles and hawksbill have also been spotted. Let us look at some amazing characteristics of turtles. When the female turtle reaches maturity, that is after a gap of 15 years, she returns to the shore at the same place where she was born, and she returns now to lay her eggs. She only comes to shore to make a nest in the sand, lay her eggs, and then she leaves immediately, that is, returns back to the sea. She does not return to her nest after that. She does not look after her eggs or hatchlings like other animals. And these eggs hatch after 45 to 50 days using natural heat. Turtles perform an important function. They keep the sea clean. Thus, they occupy an important place in marine ecology. However, there are innumerable dangers awaiting for the turtles, their eggs, and the young hatchlings. The survival rate of the hatchlings is as low as just 1 or 2 turtles out of 1,000. मतलब 1000 टर्टल हैचलिंग्स में से सिर्फ 1 या 2 टर्टल सर्वाइव कर पाते हैं. Considering all these factors, it is necessary to undertake their protection on a large scale. After the success at Velas, the organization implemented such projects in other places too. Within 5 years, Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra organization helped other villages. They helped almost 80 other villages. The people who used to steal the eggs earlier were now trained and were involved in the protection. They also began Kasav Mitra or Turtle Friends Awards and prepared booklets and short films to spread awareness. In year 2006, initiatives such as Kasav Mahotsav or you can say Turtle Festival gave the tourist an opportunity to witness the spectacular sight of the hatchlings rushing into the sea. अद्भुत नज़ारा देखने को मिला टूरिस्ट को जब इतने सारे टाइनी टर्टल्स एक साथ सी के तरफ बढ़ते जा रहे थे. Turtle Friends Club was established in each village, in which families in the village would provide homestay facilities to the tourist. तो टूरिस्ट होटल्स में नहीं रुकेंगे पर ये क्लब की फैमिलीज के घर पे रहेंगे. The homestay families provided accommodation to the tourists. These families also give 10% of their income from homestay for Turtle Protection Fund. Now the villagers understood the importance of tourism and were happy with their extra income. Tourists bring money, but to earn this money, it is necessary to conserve and protect turtles. So it was conservation of nature through livelihood. Almost 800 tourists have started gathering for the festival every year, and up to 35 families offer homestay facilities. Thus, the project at Velas met success. Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra then handed over their project to Forest Department, Gram Panchayat and the Turtle Friends Club in the villages, because they believed that it is only the local villagers who can offer excellent protection to the local species. So the writer, through this inspiring story, brings out the significance of the contribution of common people in the protection of many endangered species of our flora and fauna.